Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I went into Arima yesterday and I got this cocoa pod. I saw a vendor selling it and I said, you know what, I think I'll take the opportunity to maybe show you how to open it. This is the first time for me, honestly, right? So what I will do, you could open it two ways. You could cut it open like from this side, this way, that is what, horizontally, or you could cut it this way vertically, right? And I think if you could just take it and bash it on the concrete on the ground and it will open up. But the casing is quite thick, so I'll have to cut this off camera because my knives are not that sharp. So I will cut it off camera and get back to you. As they mature, they get into the different colors. Initially it will be green, maybe like a little yellow after that, and then this kind of reddish sort of an orangey color. So I'm hoping that it's ripening up, that I can show you how to eat it and it's nice and sweet. So I'll be back when I open it up. Okay, so here's my pod, successfully open. It wasn't that bad as I thought. So I'll just taste one and see how it goes. There's one here, but of course you can see a bunch of seeds in there. It's a bit acid, but not 100% acid, but it's tasty where I can continue eating the rest. And it's that simple. You open it down the center or you open it around horizontally like I said, and you just take out the pods and eat them like that. Of course, you know, we Trinidadians, we like to make a chow with this. What I'm going to do, where I bought this, like I said, I bought it in Arima, in the heart of Arima by Dial. I'm going to go back there and get another one. The lady who sold this, she makes a chow with it. We Trinis love our chows. So I will go back there and see if I get a footage of her making a chow with the cocoa beans, right? That should be very exciting. So let me just show you exactly what, after I suck off all the white part of it, what it looks like after. Well, there's nothing much to see, especially after I've sucked off the outside flesh of the pod, but let me just show you quickly. Nothing special really, but I know, like in Lopino, the historical site, there is what you call like a cocoa house. I did a video on that. If I get a picture, I can show you what it looks like. There's a cocoa house where they take the pods. I don't know the actual process, but the pods are processed in this area, the top of the house, and the roof section, it could slide across, exposing the pods and stuff. And this is where the pods are exposed to the sun and stuff, and they dry that way. After they are dried, I guess they could do the different processes of making the cocoa or whatever. And well, not really chocolate. I don't think they do chocolate in Trinidad, but I guess they export that raw material to make the chocolate and everything. So the cocoa, I think we do the cocoa where you make a teas and stuff locally. I don't really like how that tastes. It's very strong chocolate taste, and I don't really like that. So yeah, so this is a short video how to open and eat the cocoa and the beans, right? Like I said, look out for that video where I'll go back into Arima and get the young lady to show me how she makes the chow using these cocoa beans. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and like I'm still in Trinidad and I'm not in the mood to do much cooking, so but however, if I could do more road trips and stuff, I will do that. So look out for those, and I hope you enjoy those videos. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. So I returned to Arima by the Dial. This is Broadway Street and Pro Queen Street, I think. Just in front of Payless Shoe Store, right? The young lady who runs her little business there, she's right in front of Payless. And I got my cocoa chow, and she also does other different chows like cucumber chow, corn chow, things like that. I think I see she had Portugal chow. So let's see how she makes this chow. Take it out. Your face not turning. So you don't cut it in nothing, you just bash it. That's the professional way.
No, you just have to hit it up again.
Okay.
kg that is professional. Come here, give my hand. And you buy one at all?
Yes, I bought one, yeah.
Yeah.
But it wasn't so sweet, but it wasn't sour where I couldn't enjoy it.
Yeah, you take it as chow?
No, I just eat it just so.
And then you take it as chow and you ask me about the chow.
Yes, yes. That's how I know you're making a chow. But you tell me.
You what do you think inside? You kind of raw, kind of guts thing?
You know, people just eat that part.
Yeah, they say that's the best part.
Okay.
We'll make sure I give you everything.
So when they eat off the fleshy part, what they do with the seed?
Inside. You trade away? You saw how the seed you trade away. But what does make cocoa with the seed?
I think so.
Yep.
Yeah, you had a dry out kind of thing, right? What you put in there now? Eh? Sauce. The shalabin, yeah?
Yeah, the shalabin.
Shalabin mixture. Pepper.
I'm sure you're going to show somebody that again.
Yeah? Oh, that's pepper?
No.
Oh. I have a YouTube channel. Don't put too much, eh?
You don't put it on YouTube?
I have a YouTube channel.
What is your name?
Eh?
What is it?
WhaToCook. WhaToCook.
WhaToCook?
Yeah. Remember to call your name?
Ah?
Remember to call your name? I'll just say the lady by the dial.
Oh, Sarah?
Pay him what they call your name.
No problem. But just cut out the part of my face.
Yeah, I'm just in your hands right now.
Is it my hand right now? Yeah, we'll cut out the part of my face.
Yeah.
I was okay up on WhaToCook.
WhaToCook, yeah.
What did they have? So,
What picture? No, one with a grater.
oh, what's that great?
Yeah, actually you'll just see like a pot and a pan, like a towel.
I would look it up on the internet when I reach home. Yeah, this you'll see, yeah. But you can see yourself, you'll see your jerseys on things.
Yeah, I put his face. I put his hand bashing the cocoa.
Yeah, but I end up bending and that's how she gets my face.
I'll try and edit it on that part. So we done here? So I just want to say thank you to everybody who has left a comment on my video helping me wish my mother a happy birthday. This is basically a happy and sad moment for me as I read the comments and stuff. Happy because you guys really helped me out with your prayers and your birthday greetings for my mother, and sad that, you know, she is not getting any better, right? Yeah, so what I want to do, I want to just quickly just call out the names of the people who left the comments, birthday greetings and everything. And for my YouTube creator friends, I will leave links for their channels in the description box below. So let's get to this. I will try to make this short and sweet. Alright, so let's get down to it. Philip Anthony Joseph, Kenda Scorner, Baby Girl Das, Old Nick 7734, HTB1, The Beat Creator, Charles Mary 31, Marilyn Jarvis, Food Passion with Kulsum, Arkus, hope I said that correctly, Sandra John, DOY Life, Lyric, Risa Vilama, Essential Funplex RN and LPN, Black Beauty, Dashing Bush Trace, Yahspoet, Joyce Mctier, Stefan Hall, Sarah Lynn, Jem Cross, Tiger Land, Anastasia Glow, Waveney Redman, that's a man, don't know if I said that correctly, Lisa B, All Around Vegan, Killita, oh my goodness, Anna N YHWH, Fresh and Sassy Plant-Based Living, Red December 02, Pamela Francis, Alicia Dalton, Slimchelle, Rosemary Snags, Patricia Page, Linda's Channel, Nicole, I wouldn't say it because I don't want to butcher this person's name, Ellen's Homemade Delights, Anne-Marie Mahabir, Anthony Jeremiah, Sharon Andrews, Anne Fu, Islands of Fun, Shinezstory Loveindehouse, John Madsen, CC's World Australia, Franklin Richards, Erica Mitchell, Heather Taylor, Royalty 2200, Cooking with Lisa, and Bayer, Susie. Now Susie, just want to say this, I met Susie a few days ago in the mall, Trinity Mall. First time I'm meeting her. It's really, really nice to meet you, Susie. Thank you so much for approaching me and letting me know who you are and for your continued support. Kenda's Corner, Cooking Passion. Yes, and I think I have picked up all the names. Thank you so much for your support and for helping me greet this birthday greeting. I really appreciate it so much, guys. You guys are really, really awesome. Thank you so much.